You think you're alone in the bathroom, but your reflection knows you're not. The mirror flickers just once. You spit, look up, and it smiles back. It moves when you don't. Its lips whisper, "Behind you." If this leopard and lion appear on your screen, it means powerful money energy is entering your life with speed and authority. If you skip this sign, you may block a major financial breakthrough for the next 3 days.
Guys, if you're into AI video creation, I'm about to give you guys the biggest update of your life. Like, this is literally what you have been looking for ever since Grok stopped their free version. So I believe you are excited about this. In fact, you have no reason than to be excited about this update. I'll be showing you guys how to create AI videos using a free tool. Like, this is a free tool, guys. Ensure you pay attention from the beginning to the very end so that you don't miss any step of this tutorial. With this tool, you'll be able to create videos like we always create in the past. So I believe you're happy, right? I believe you're excited. If you are, do it to like this video. Drop a comment in the comment section to appreciate the effort into this video, and also subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys. Alright, so I'll be going straight to the tool. This tool is more like a vibe coding tool. I know that's a new word to you if you've not heard of vibe coding before. Vibe coding means the act of you creating something using AI. You can create an app using AI. You can create a website using AI. That's the meaning of vibe coding. And with this tool, you'll be able to vibe code and create an app for yourself. You get to create an AI app for yourself that will help you generate AI videos. Can you see, like, this is very deep, guys. This is very deep. So that is why you need to pay attention, like, so you don't miss any step of the process. Do you understand? Don't make sure you don't skip any part of this video. If you skip one part, you'll miss the whole idea. Do you get the point now? All right, so let's not waste time. Let's just go straight into why we are here. Just make sure you pay attention, like I said. So for you to do this, you need to go to your Chrome browser. You need to head on to your Chrome browser. So what you do at this point is you want to search for a website by typing opal. Can you see that? Once you search for opal, so this is the website right here, opal.google. This tool is very new, like it is still in the testing stage. That is why you can see experiment written right here. But regardless of that, it is doing a great work, guys. People are now using this tool massively. But if you don't know about this tool, you have every reason to appreciate me for revealing this update to you. So once you are here right here, can you see the logo? Make sure you click the right logo. So click on opal right here. So once you click on this, then this gets to open up for you. So this is what the interface looks like. Can you see? So you can see you can do so many things on this platform. So many things. You can build, edit, and share AI mini apps using natural language. Can you see, like, with this tool you can create apps for yourself using just natural language. You don't need to be someone that is into coding. You know, if you want to create app normally, you need to have coding skills, but with this you can just create app using the normal prompts that we use. Do you get? So once you are right here, ensure that your phone is on desktop mode. So proceed and click on these three dots up here. Once you click on it, then you can see mine is already on desktop mode. So ensure yours is on desktop mode once you are right here on this platform. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on try opal. Once you click on that, then right here you log in using one of your Gmail accounts. This platform is connected to Google, so automatically your Gmail account will be synced to this platform. So I'll choose the first one. So once I choose that, then this open up and I click on continue right here. And next thing is I click on continue again. Are you seeing the interface now? So right here you can do so many things, like I said, but let's not waste time. Let's just go straight into why we are here. So for you to create an AI video using this platform, all you need to do is come to where you have create new. Can you see create new up here? So once you click on create new, then this gets to open up for you. Can you see they said let's build your app? Take a look at our demo video. As if you don't know how to create all these things, you can watch the demo video, but I'll be showing you how to go about this so that you get to create the perfect app for yourself for your AI videos. So right here where they say describe what you want to build, you get to tap on it and put in a prompt that helps you build the kind of app that will create AI videos for you. So this is the point where you get to like put the prompt you want to use to build your application for yourself. Like, this prompt is a top secret just for my students. and for my subscribers. So if you have not subscribed at this point, I'll not give you the prompt. So first thing first, subscribe to this channel right now and comment prompt in the comment section, and I'll get to review the prompt to you. I'll put my contact details in the description. Do you understand? So you need to like click on that, show me that you've subscribed to this channel, and you get to receive the prompt instantly. Do you understand? That's the secret behind getting this prompt. So I'll go and copy the prompt right now. So you can see this right here, build an AI video generator app. Do you get? So you get to copy all this prompt and go and paste right there where they say you should describe what you want to build. So I'll just go ahead and paste my prompt right here. So once I paste it, can you see that? So it is now rolling. Can you see it is rolling? So it's currently generating our app for us. It is creating our app for us using this prompt. So I believe by now you've subscribed and you already clicked the link in the description to connect with me on WhatsApp so that you can get access to this prompt for yourself. Let's wait a bit. This will take a bit. This will take about 1 minute. So I'll just pause this video and come back once it is done creating. So you can see our app has been created using the prompt I inserted. So right here is where you get to create your AI videos using this new app you just vibe coded. Next thing you want to do right now is just click on start. Once you click on start, basically we've started the process of creating our AI videos. Now we have an app that can help us create videos whenever we want to create videos. So they said you should describe what you want to create. I mean, describe the AI video you want to create. Can you see that? Describe your video idea. So this is where you get to paste the prompt that will help you generate the video you want to create. So I'll just go to my prompt library and copy my prompt. So this is the prompt I want to use right here. So it says animate a wide shot of both animals on the cliff. The lion retreats towards the edge while the leopard stand tall. The sun sinks below the horizon, casting long shadows. Wind sweeps across the scene and the camera pulls back to reveal the vast landscape. So I believe you have an idea of what we want to create right now, so that you can see the results it generates for us and judge if truly this app is truly amazing. So I'll paste the video idea right here and I'll click on next. So right here you are asked to select the desired video mode. So you can choose any mode you feel relates to your video, but for me I'll skip this part by clicking on next. So once I click on next, then it said you should choose the visual style for this video. So I'll just choose cinematic. So ensure you choose cinematic right here so that you get the best results. So I'll click on next again. So right here you are asked to select the video duration. Like you should set a video duration. So right here I'll advise you to choose 8 seconds. That's the best choice you could actually choose right here. So click on next after you are done typing in that. So and you're asked to upload an optional reference image. Like, is there any face you want the animation video to carry? This is where you get to like upload that picture of that face. So I'll just click on this plus button right here and choose an image from my device. So I'll choose this image right here. I'll click on done. So can you see? So I have uploaded the image right here. So I'll click on next, and once I click on next, then this starts to create for me. The process starts creating for me. So we have to wait a bit so that we get to see the end result. This takes about 2 minutes, so you have to exercise patience. So I believe by now you've subscribed, right? Awesome. And also I believe by now you should know how to create prompt for yourself. Peradventure you are totally new to this whole game and you don't know how to create prompts, just tell me to create a video on how to create AI videos, including prompting. I'll make a video for you specifically on how you can create AI videos, how you can go about prompting your videos to get the best results. So just comment that in the comment section. Let me know that I should create a video on AI prompting. Just comment that and I'll make a video for you specifically. If I should get enough comments, I'll make a video for you regarding that. So I'll have to pause this video right now so you can come back and see the end result. The video is done creating. So what we do now is let's play the video and see if it's truly what we want. So just zoom in so you get to see the full details. So you can see it right here. Let's wait for this to roll completely. You can also click on the download button so that you can download it to your gallery and go and watch from your gallery. So just tap on it, like place your finger on the video, then this download video will pop up, then you get to download. So it is already downloaded right now. As you can see up here, it says downloading file. Can you see? It says file downloaded. So let's open it and see what we created. I'll click on open right here. Can you see it right here? So I'll click on play. I'll click on play again. Did you see that, guys? This is just so great. Can you see the view? More like it's a movie, a complete movie. Let me play it one more time for you guys to see. Guys, exactly the prompt we gave it, that is what it's created for us. This is magic, guys. This is magic. This is not those app you give a prompt and it's go ahead to create a different result for you. Like any prompt you give this particular application, it creates the exact thing you request for. Like this is magic, guys. This is so great. I believe you agree with me that this is so great. This is so great, guys. So you can see the video idea. Animate a wide shot of both animals on the cliff. The lion retreats towards the edge while leopard stands tall. The sun sinks below the horizon, casting long shadows. Wind sweep across the scene and the camera pulls back to reveal the vast landscape. Exactly what we ask it to create, that is what it created for us. Like I don't think you can see any other app that is better than this out there. So you have every reason to start using this app right now and start creating amazing videos for yourself. You can see everything: visual style, cinematic, duration 8 seconds, mood not specified. Everything we ask it, that is what it's created for us. So just go ahead and download this. Once you've downloaded this, then proceed and create your next 8-second video. Peradventure you want to create a minute long video or 5 minutes long video, so just proceed and create as much videos as you want to create on this platform. This platform is completely free, like completely free, guys. So once you're done creating all your videos, then you proceed to 11 Lab and create a voiceover for the video. I believe you know how to use 11 Lab, right? If you don't know how to use that, it's like I have to create a video for you also. So just proceed and comment 11 Lab in the comment section and I'll create a video for you on how to use it as a voiceover for your videos. Once you're done creating the videos, create your voiceover on 11 Lab. Once you're done creating your voiceover, go to CapCut and combine everything together, edit them, join them together, and you have your full AI video. So I believe you understand everything I said so far. I believe you got value from this video. Like, you agree with me that this video is very powerful. So if you did, ensure you go to the comment section and comment right now, subscribe to this channel, and if you want me to give you the prompts on how to create this particular application that helps you create your AI videos, you know what I say you should do already, right? Comment prompts in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, then go to the description and click the link right there to connect with me on WhatsApp so I can give you the prompt to create this wonderful app for yourself. So guys, we basically come to the end of this tutorial. I believe you got value, guys. Just ensure you subscribe right now. Ensure you subscribe. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.